Cue the growls and gurgles. We're diving into the mystery of why our stomachs make sounds. It's a symphony inside us, but what's the music sheet? Digestion. As we break down food, our stomach and intestines contract, creating these familiar noises. And guess what? It's a good sign. It means your digestive system is doing its job. But on an empty stomach, that's just your body saying, hey, it's time to refuel. So next time your tummy talks, don't shush it. It's just doing its job, keeping you healthy and energized. Remember, every growl is a sign of a well-tuned body orchestra. Stay curious, stay healthy, and keep listening to your body's soundtrack.